Good morning. Today is Thursday, May 14th, and we are going to continue decomposing and composing numbers in their teens. And today we're going to be drawing some pictures so that we can show when we see a group of 10 and some ones when we're writing our teen numbers. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that worksheet up and we will do it together. All right, it says use your materials to show each number as 10 ones and some more ones. So the first thing we're going to do is look right here. What is the number that you see? 15. So we're going to look at how many groups of 10 that we see. And then after that, we'll look at the ones. So let's start though with that group of 10. How many groups of 10 in the number 15? 1. So we're going to do, let's start with circles. We're going to make one group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm gonna have to go over here. 10. One group of 10. And I'm gonna show you by making this guy in a big rectangle box. That is one group of 10. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now in the number 15, it says we have one group of 10, and now we have to look over at our one side. 5 ones. So go ahead and you can draw 5 more circles. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not gonna loop those together because there's only 5. It's not a group of 10. But now we can count them all together to see if we get our number 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Perfect. All right, let's look at our next one. Look right over here. What number do you see? 13. Let's look at the tens first. How many groups of 10 do you see in the number 13? One group of 10. So go ahead, and this time, let's do hearts. I want you to draw 10 hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm going to put another rectangle around this because that is one group of 10. And I want you to look over in the ones place to tell me how many ones you see in the number 13. 3. Okay, I'm gonna wait for my board here to get caught up. Let's just wait 1 second because it looks like it's a little delayed. There we go. So now we're going to draw the 3 ones that we see. We're still doing hearts. Oh, let me make sure I have my crayon. 1, 2, 3. Now let's double check that it's 13. We don't need to count 10 every time. We know that there are 10 hearts. We counted those and we put a rectangle around it. So this time I want you to put 10 in your head and then count on with your fingers. So put 10 here, 10. What comes next? 11, 12, 13. Well, notice I put 3 fingers up because I have 10 in my head. 10, 11, 12, 13. And that's our answer, 13. Now I want you to look down the next problem. This time they gave you the words. Yes, your number words are sight words. So you should be practicing those. This one says 10 and 7. 10 and 7. Let's think what that looks like. Let's do one group of 10. This time let's use squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have a group of 10 and 7 ones. I'm going to even write the number above the word. One group of 10 and 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what's our number? What is one group of 10 and 7 ones? I hope you said 17. Yeah, the number 17 is one group of 10 and 7 ones. Next one says over here, let me show you, 10 and 1. So what number is 10 and 1? Well, let's go ahead this time. Let's make it triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There is your group of 10. So it said one group of 10, one group of 10, and 1. 1 extra. So how many is that all together? Well, remember, you can use this again where you put the number in your head, put 10 in your head. What comes after 10? 11. Is that the number that you wrote? Yeah. I hope it's getting easier for you. This one has a second page, so we're going to go to that. And we're back to our numbers instead of words. It looks like we have one group of 10 and 2 ones. Why don't we do smiley faces? Ready? 1, ooh, there we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 smiley faces. That's our one group of 10. And I'm going to put a big rectangle around them. And we're going to add 2 ones because we look at our ones place. Yeah. Over here. So add 2 more smileys. And what number is that all together? We'll put 10 in your head and go forward 2. 10, 11, 12. Is that number 12? Yes. Yes, it is. Okay, look at your next one. What number do you see? This number has one group of 10. Why don't we go back to circles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put your rectangle around there so you know it's a whole group of 10. And then how many ones does it have? Look over there. 6. So draw 6 more circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we want to check to make sure that we have this number. So go ahead, put the group of 10 in your head. 10. Think of what comes next. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Did I add 6 ones to my group of 10? That works. And this one, ooh, looks like they used a number and a word. 2 groups of 10. 2 groups of 10. Let's see what that looks like. 2 groups of 10. So I'm gonna go back to, let's do triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm gonna put my rectangle because that's one group of 10. And now my second group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's my second group of 10. And I'm gonna wait for just 1 second for my, looks like my iPad got a little behind here. I'll let it catch up. Awesome. So we see we have 2 groups of 10. So at this point, I want you to count by tens. 10, 20. Your answer should be 20. Oh, it's not letting me right here. 20 shows us that we have 2 groups of 10 and 0 extra ones. Good. And our last one right here says 10 and 4. 10 and 4. So 1 group of 10. So go back over. This time, why don't we do just little ovals? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 group of 10. 1 group of 10 and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's your number? 14. If you want more practice, think of a number that you could draw where you can draw 1 group of 10 and some extra, and then count them to see how many you have. I hope that was easy for you and it made sense. We'll be doing more of this tomorrow. Bye.